Okay, I was thinking about y'all today. It's Friday. I'm thinking about y'all and some things that you need to know for your test on Tuesday. So I'm going to give you this link to this periodic table. This is the one you can use on your test. This is the one you can use on the STAR test. If you can, I've told you on Zoom, print it out. If you're able to print it out, print it out. If you're able to print it out, this is what I would practice writing on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label groups and periods. So I'm going to put, that's an R. It's an ugly R, but that's an R. So that's to remind myself, groups go up and down, periods go side to side. Groups go up and down, periods go side to side. Then I'm going to remind myself, okay, periods side to side are the same as the energy levels or the rings in the electron cloud. So period 1 has 1 energy level. Period 2 has 2 energy levels. Period 3 has 3 energy levels. I'm going to stop there because if I draw any more circles, it's going to look crazy. And then I'm going to remember, okay, groups are equal to the valence electrons. Well, the A number is. So group 1A has 1 VE. 2A has 2 VE. And then I'm going to write skip, because we skip these. That's a P. It's kind of hard to write on here. Okay, group 13 or 3A has 3 VE. So remember, every element in this group has 3 valence electrons. I'm getting that from this number. That number tells you. Okay? 4 VE, 5 VE, 6 VE, 7 VE, 8 VE. And if you've been to Zoom, you know that helium is special. All of these elements have 8 valence electrons except helium. And that's because its atomic number is 2. So the most valence electrons it can have 2, because 8. Atomic number is equal to protons and equal to electrons. So if its atomic number is 2, the most electrons it has is 2. So it's full with just 2. Since I just filled out 8, I'm going to go ahead and label man. That's your M minus A equals N. And then, oh, 2 more things. All right, I'm going to make my P in E chart. Y'all are going to see a video of me doing this on Monday. So it's a little trick. It's a really good trick, trust me. So I'm going to label the charge for protons, neutrons, and electrons. The location, and I'm going to abbreviate, nucleus, nucleus, energy levels. And I'm abbreviating so this doesn't take long. This is what you use on the test. So you know that N stands for nucleus. And then the mass, 1 AMU, 1 AMU, 0 AMU. And then there's one more really, I lied. There's 2 more really important things. Let's do this one first. So today you had a little short quiz to remind you that these are the metals. And then in 6th grade, y'all learned a song. I don't sing, so I'm not singing it, but it was about the metalloids. It was about boron, silicon, down across, down across, down across. So these are the metalloids. And then last, on this side, we have your NO non-metals. Okay, now I have one more really important thing. I want you to think back from yesterday, and I added a video of it today in this message. Which 2 groups are the most reactive groups? Which group can you put the elements in water and they react They react, they explode. You have a reaction. So that's group 1. So I'm gonna draw a little fire flame over it. Don't you talk about my fire flame. I'm gonna draw a little fire flame over it because that reminds me that it's very reactive. Another thing you could do if you don't like a fire flame is you could write VR for very reactive. That's my fire flame. That's the best I can do. Okay, what? It looks bad. What other group is very reactive? Not 2, it's just reactive. Not 13, it's just reactive. Just reactive, just reactive, just reactive, very reactive. That's my fire flame. So remember, in group 1, if they can give away that 1 valence electron, then they're stable. In group 17, if they can get 1 more valence electron, they're stable. Stable means they don't react. That's group 18. They're stable, they don't react. And they are called the noble gases. So my little reminder for them is I draw a crown. So the crown reminds me, okay, they're like royalty, they're the noble gases. If, you know, I think of royal people in my mind, they have everything they need. So they're full. So they have all their needs. Because remember, these are stable because they have a full outer energy level. They have all 8 valence electrons. So these are some tricks. Let me zoom in for y'all. My camera skills are not the best. But these are the tricks that I would do to be prepared for your test on Tuesday and for STAR test. I'm going to send y'all the link to this.